Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. Take just 1 second please and hit that subscribe button and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. Of course, to all my returning Dollar Divas, thank you so much for clicking on another video. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. It's kind of a small Dollar Tree haul, but I felt it was worthy of a video. I'm actually wearing all Dollar Tree makeup from my last Dollar Tree haul. I will have any relevant content linked down below in the description box. That way, if you enjoy videos like this one, you can go binge watch more content. But yeah, I'm wearing some of the makeup from the LA Colors Nude Glam line. Still got more to test. This is just some of the products. So yeah, I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and picked up a few items and found something that I'm super excited about. I've been seeing it in videos and I was so afraid I wasn't gonna find these. And so I did find them, so I'm super excited to share what that is with you, as well as some other great items as always. So yes, if you love Dollar Tree hauls, you're in the right place and definitely keep on watching. So the first thing in my haul today is from Cooking Concepts and it's the cake decoration kit. And I've already opened this because I was looking at it, but I did want to show you guys for my haul. It's basically like a piping bag. And I was actually very surprised to see this particular Dollar Tree. They had all kinds of cake decorating tools in like the kitchen aisle. They had like a packet of like a bunch of these decorative tips that are different than these ones, as well as like little spatulas and things. But yeah, this is just kind of a piping bag. You know, you put your frosting. Now, I don't do cakes. I'm actually thinking of using this for deviled eggs. Like around the holidays, you put your stuff in here and then you can squeeze it into the egg. It comes with like a tip like this, like just a little thin round tip. And then you've got your 4 like slightly fancier tips that, you know, give like little different designs and things like that. So yeah, I thought for $1.25, it probably would be good for me to have one of these for, you know, and really $1.25 is about all I would want to spend for something like this because I probably will not use it very much. You can put all your tips right there in the bag and then it's just kind of an easy store item, takes up no space. So yeah, I've been meaning to kind of pick up one of those, and so yeah, like I said, I think I'm pretty much only going to use it for deviled eggs. I probably repurchase this item about once a year, and so this is probably my 3rd or so one that I've purchased. It's the Cooking Concepts Veggie Brush. And these are just really good. You can actually feel the bristles through there. This is just really good for cleaning, like I'll wash my potatoes or my carrots or celery, and you just use this brush and then I set it out near my sink to dry, and for $1.25 you can't beat it. So, and after a little while, the bristles, you know, they're really sturdy and firm. After a little while, they'll start to kind of cave in, and it still works very great, but you know, about after a year or so, the germs and stuff like that. So it was time to repurchase one of these, so picked one of those up, a steal at the Dollar Tree. Then I needed some more baby wipes for work, so I actually have a package of these that I've been using, gosh, probably since February, and I just don't use very many baby wipes. But these are really nice from the Dollar Tree. It's the Huggies Simply Clean fragrance-free baby wipes. And so yeah, like I said, they have a nice little, a lot of the other baby wipes at the Dollar Tree don't have the little plastic top, so I really like that because it just keeps your baby wipes kind of fresh. So yeah, like I said, I'm just replacing, this is a repurchase for me to have at my vanity at work. So this Dollar Tree had a lot of different types of cleaning products. Ones that I don't see in the Dollar Tree that's slightly closer to my house. I really liked the smell of this. This is and I've I'm almost out of my Fabuloso, so I wanted to restock. And I picked up the Ajax. It says it's stronger than dirt. It's the multi-purpose cleaner. And I picked this one up right here because it is citrus and eucalyptus scent. This is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. It smells so good. And the eucalyptus kind of gives it like a spa-like smell, and I just thought it was a different type of a smell. So I'll do like half of this, half water in a spray bottle, and just use that to like freshen up the countertops all that kind of thing. A little bit of this goes a long way. I'll clean the sink with it, that type of thing. So I just love these all-purpose cleaners. And if you see this one, it smells amazing. It smells so, so good. Like I said, it smells like a spa. So wanted to pick that up and give it a try. And yet at the same time, it's kind of a light scent. Like right now, the Fabuloso that I'm using, I love Fabuloso, but it is kind of heavily scented. But this one here just kind of has a little bit of a lighter, crisper, more, I don't know, summery, bright type of a scent. Then I needed another pair of scissors because you can't have too many pairs of scissors. So I just picked up these. These are the Westcott glitter scissors. They're 7-inch straight handle, and it has up here, and this is what they look like. I got blue. They had different colors. It tells you kind of like what their duty is. This is like a medium, I guess a medium strength, and it's good for fabric and poster board and layers of paper. And so yeah, like I said, I buy a lot of my scissors from the Dollar Tree. I've got some in my car, I've got some at work. And so, like I said, I just wanted another pair of scissors. So I picked up some of these. Then I was super excited to see this. I'm really excited to give it a try. I went to Ulta probably about a month ago to restock on my Bare Minerals Quick Change. I love this stuff. This is an amazing brush cleaner. And in a pinch, I'll use the e.l.f., but nothing really compares to this right here. And they didn't have this when I went to Ulta last time, and I was really disappointed. I ended up buying the Real Techniques Instant Brush Cleaner. This is what it looks like, and I have not used it yet because I still get a little bit of this and my e.l.f. But Dollar Tree had brush cleaner. So it's from this company, Bath & Beauty. It's called the Makeup Brush Cleaner. It's a rinse-free formula, and it's a quick drying formula. And you get a 5 fluid ounce. So let's go ahead and try it. So I usually keep like a towel, like a little rag, in my vanity. So I'll kind of take us to a clean side right here. And I just use this brush to put on the makeup that I'm wearing at the moment. A lot of times what I'll do is like if I'm just doing a quick job, I'll just spray and then kind of run it over the rag. But when I do want to do a deep, kind of a more deeper clean, I'll take the brush and actually put it in and saturate it. And then I'll kind of go onto the rag like this. Now the makeup is coming off. So that's one pass, and the brush actually looks a lot cleaner than it did. I'm gonna do it one more time. There's more coming off too, you guys. This is working great. Man, if this works really well, I'm gonna stock up on this because brush cleaner is expensive. That Real Techniques one, which I was not excited about buying because it was not my quick change, was like $10, and the e.l.f. is like $6. The Bare Minerals I think is $18, but it works so good, I don't mind paying. This works, y'all. Like, look at that brush. Like, this works. Look at that brush. And look at the towel. That is just from this brush. Y'all, $1.25. Don't walk, run to your Dollar Tree, but don't get there before I do. I'm gonna stock up. And you get a big bottle. This is a 5 ounce. The Bare Minerals is 3.7, 2 ounces for the Real Techniques, and 2.02 ounces for the e.l.f. So what a deal, you guys. Seriously, I'm so excited. What a find. And last but not least, I have been seeing these in people's hauls for the last month, and I was so afraid I was not gonna find them. The Dollar Tree that's closest to my house has a horrible glass decor section. It really doesn't have any of the glass decor type of stuff, but they had them at the Dollar Tree that was a little further away. Now I hauled these at Christmas time. I got, I think, 2 red and a green, or 2 green and a red. I can't remember. I think it was 2 red and a green. So cute. And they had spring versions, and I found them. So they had all 3 colors. They had the blue, they had the baby blue, they had the Christmas time had the red, the green, and the dark blue. And for spring, they have the pink, they have like the light green, and they have like a light pastel blue as well. And I picked up the pink. These are so cute, you guys. I picked up 3 of them. I was thinking I might put them in my background. I don't really know. I just think they are absolutely adorable. Like I said, I loved my ones at Christmas time, and I was just so afraid that I was not gonna find them. So, like I said, I picked them up. I didn't get the other 2 colors, but they did have them. And yeah, I just thought they were so, so, so adorable. So super excited to have found them. So I'll have some relevant playlists and videos up here. I've done several Dollar Tree hauls, so definitely check out more of these if you enjoy these types of videos. Before you do, make sure you like this video, share this video with anybody you know that loves Dollar Tree hauls. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.